is Mercy Lee, and I am one of the models for the Photoshoot today. I had a lot of fun today, and so I can't wait to see the final pictures and how everything turns out.
Hi, my name is Xiong, and I had a great time with the photo shoot, and I can't wait to see the end results of the pictures. Xiong kuya dalili mana kuya Chrissy thia Mary la tu model ta mana ku Thao wacha ta coming thia ta Mary thia Chrissy thia mi ka ya thia or nei chain the opportunity ta ku ne tu model ta mana thia, and I can't wait to see the end results.
My name is Rose Vu, and today I'm one of the models for today's photo shoot. Chrissy being our makeup artist and Mary being our hairstylist. I know that prom season is coming up, and these two people are wonderful people just to have to do your makeup and hair to get ready for a memorable night. So don't forget to book them.
Hi, I'm Chrissy Xiong.
Hi, I'm Xiong.
And I'm the makeup artist today.
I am your hairstylist today.
And if you have any events coming up,
remember to book us.